This is Bentley's new extra saucer. There's so much to look at. You're still a little bit small, so we stuff you in there, hey? Hi! Peanut. Look at the monkeys. You don't know where to look, do you? You still have to put batteries in all this stuff. It all lights up, doesn't it? Your toes don't quite fit the ground yet. Hi, Tegan. Do you like the glove? Thanks, Tiger. Oh, thanks, Tiger. Oh, so much to look at. It's a crocodile.